Okay, we're going to do a new project. I'm going to put Aiwis here on my IDTNC website. It's IDTNC for Idaho TNC. We'll start by simply going over to Aiwis. We're going to create a new project. We'll name the project IDTNC. The URL will be idtnc.com, and then we'll name it TNC, IDTNC. Okay, so we'll click Next, and then we're just going to rename the same name, IDTNC, and then we're going to click Next. Now we're going to do, we don't use an exit pop-up message from my particular site, so we'll create the first audio message. I'm going to input it, click Update, and then for visitor return, I'm going to input the message, and I'm going to check this box because I want to use the same message for every return visitor when they come to the site. That's going to make things a lot simpler. Okay, now let's see, we're going to click Update. Okay, and then we're going to click Next. Since we're not going to use a form, don't worry about it. You could just click Next. And then you can configure now your actual audio Aiwis. Since we're only going to do first visit and return, we're going to have bottom right. We're going to use a male, and I'm going to choose Brian. And then I'm going to enter the message, and I can play it to test it.
Welcome. You can book a ride in just a few seconds. Submit your phone number, location, and destination. We will immediately text you with a payment link. The process will take about 2 minutes. You will then receive a text message with the ETA of your driver.
Okay, once I like that, the text position, I'm going to choose visible bottom right. Since I don't have a form, I'm going to delete the offer. A lot of my customers access my website from a smartphone, and it does not play on open, so I'm going to put a play button there, and then from there I'm going to update it. Now I'm going to do the same thing for visitor return message, bottom right, male. Okay, and I'm going to put Brian in again. It's already there, don't have to play it. The text position will be bottom right visible. I'm going to take away the offer, change that to play. Okay, I'm going to update it. Now that's done, I'm going to simply click Next. Since I don't use a form, I don't need autoresponder, and there it is. There's the code. I'm just going to simply copy the code. And now I'm going to go over to my blog. And in my blog, I have a plugin called WordPress Insert Code. Now, the download access for this is here in the video or above on Facebook. I've got it on my domain, so you can just download it. It's safe. Download it to your WordPress plugins, activate it, then you can access it through your settings. Over here you'll see it says WordPress Insert Code. It'll open up whatever there. You can simply delete it. In the header code, you can put in the code for Aiwis, and guess what? You are done. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to the actual page. But the first thing you need to do, because a lot of you are opening it and it's not showing, just simply go to your history and clear your recent history, just your cache and your browser history. Click Clear Now, and you're done. So when we actually do this, it should appear.
Welcome. You can book a ride in just a few